Have you tried diets of workouts, teas, fat burners, miracle exercises, and still your belly stays the same? What if I told you that burning belly fat faster than ever before is not only possible, but science has finally figured out how? Today, I'm going to reveal why belly fat is way more dangerous than you think, the science-based blueprint to melt visceral fat, and a brand new 2023 study proving something experts swore was impossible. And no, this is not another do 100 crunches a day nonsense video. Before we start, answer me in the comments. Which one is harder for you? Avoiding sugar, exercising consistently, or controlling your stress? Your answer tells me exactly what video I should create next. Ready? Let's go! Most people think belly fat is just an aesthetic problem, that annoying pouch that ruins your t-shirt or dress. Wrong. Belly fat exists in two types: subcutaneous fat, the one you can pinch, and visceral fat, the one you can't see, hiding deep around your organs. Here's the nightmare part. Visceral fat acts like a hormone-secreting monster. It attacks your brain, your heart, your hormones. It grows silently, without pain. You don't feel it growing, but it changes everything. Why is this fat so dangerous? Because it's alive, literally. It releases chemicals that raise cortisol, increase appetite, block insulin, increase inflammation, and damage blood vessels and organs. It hijacks your metabolism like a parasite, making fat loss harder and craving stronger. Let me be blunt, belly fat is not just fat. It's a biological weapon against your life expectancy. And here's what it leads to. Researchers worldwide now link visceral fat to heart disease. Women with larger waistlines have twice the risk of cardiovascular issues, even if they're not overweight. Type 2 diabetes. Visceral fat literally blocks your cells from using insulin. Blood sugar rises, diabetes follows. Dementia. People with high belly fat in midlife are nearly 3 times more likely to develop cognitive decline later. Imagine losing your memories because of fat around your organs. Asthma. Visceral fat fuels inflammation in your lungs, making breathing harder. Breast cancer. After menopause, belly fat becomes an estrogen factory, feeding tumor growth. Colon and liver cancer. It accelerates polyp formation and liver fat accumulation. This is why doctors call belly fat a time bomb. Not because of how it looks, but because of how it kills. Pause this video after I explain this. Measure your waist and come back. Use a tape around your belly button, not at your hips. If your measurement is women, 88 centimeters or more equals danger zone. Men, 102 centimeters or more equals danger zone. Forget BMI. Waist size tells the truth. Type your number in the comments. Come back in 30 days and update it. Yes, we are building real transformations here. These aren't tips, these are weapons. Soluble fiber, found in chia, oats, apples, fruits, vegetables. It helps your gut remove fat, keeps you fuller. No trans fats. These industrial fats store directly in your belly. Avoid margarine, packaged snacks, fried junk. Alcohol control. Even small daily drinking equals stomach fat guaranteed. Weekends only or cut it completely. Protein in every meal. Protein burns calories even while resting. Eggs, fish, beans, chicken, Greek yogurt. Manage stress. Cortisol equals belly fat fertilizer. 10 minutes of meditation reduces it. Sugar is your enemy. Sugar spikes insulin equals belly grows. Cut sodas, sweets, juices. Move. 300 minutes of cardio plus strength training weekly equals visceral fat down. Whole grains. Replace white bread, pasta, and rice. Weight training. Muscle burns fat 24/7, even while sleeping. No soft drinks. Your belly doesn't burn sugar. It stores it. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Poor sleep equals more cravings plus belly fat. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fights inflammation. Fruit juice equals trap. 1 glass equals soda with vitamins. Probiotics. Healthy gut equals smaller waist. Intermittent fasting. Creates a fat-burning environment. Green tea. Boosts metabolism by up to 17%. Sustainable habits. Not a 7-day detox, a life shift. Small plates. Your brain eats with its eyes. Mediterranean diet. A natural belly fat killer. If you smoke, quit. Nicotine increases abdominal fat storage. Pick just 4 of these and apply them today. Your belly will respond, fast. You've probably heard people say, You can't burn fat from a specific area. Science just proved that wrong. Researchers tested 16 overweight men. Group A, only treadmill. Group B, treadmill plus specific abdominal exercises. Same calories burned. Same training time. After 10 weeks, guess what happened? Group B lost much more belly fat, an average of 697 grams, even though both groups burned the same calories. Why? Because of exercises increased blood flow around belly fat, making it easier for the body to mobilize and burn it. This means spot reduction is real. You can target belly fat. You just need the right combination of aerobic plus abdominal work. Finally, science caught up to what athletes have known for decades. Do this 4 times per week, 30 minutes cardio, 2 ab exercises, ab machine, rotational core movement, leg raises, or crunch variations. That's it. Combine this with the 20 tips above and your belly has to shrink. It has no choice. You don't need magic pills. You don't need secret gurus. You need science and consistency. If this video helped you, smash like. Not for me, but so YouTube sends this to someone who desperately needs it. Tell me in the comments. Which of the 20 strategies are you starting today? And now, choose your next video. The dangers of air fryers. You won't believe number 4. The top vegetables that protect your body from cancer. Subscribe, stay consistent, and your future body will thank you.